Good evening, I'm Ankita Singh and welcome to Channel 6 Network's 9 p.m. bulletin. Here's a look at the top headlines for tonight. JLN Stadium has been cleared of litter following Diljit Dosanjh's concert, which saw approximately 70,000 attendees. The Delhi Pollution Control Committee reported that significant cleanup efforts ensured the venue was ready for future use. In a shocking incident in Nashik, a father-son duo beheaded their neighbor over a dispute and took the severed head to the police station. The community is in shock, and this gruesome act highlights the urgent need for effective conflict resolution and stronger law enforcement. Prime Minister Modi is set to send a ceremonial chadar to Ajmer Sharif amid the ongoing Shiva temple dispute. Despite the controversy, this offering remains a symbol of unity and reverence, transcending religious and cultural boundaries. An engineering student has been arrested for allegedly raping a classmate in a Kolkata apartment. This incident underscores the increasing need for mental health support and stronger safety measures for students across the country. In Thane, an under-trial prisoner was caught with a mobile phone hidden in his footwear. The police have filed a case against the prisoner, Sethia, and investigations are underway to determine how the device was smuggled into the prison. Mamata Banerjee has accused the BSF of aiding infiltrators in West Bengal. TMC MP Abhishek Banerjee also criticized the Narendra Modi government for its inadequate diplomatic response to the ongoing atrocities against Hindus and other minorities in Bangladesh. Omar Abdullah has called for the swift restoration of Jammu and Kashmir's statehood. He also acknowledged his past shortcomings in maintaining media interactions and pledged to engage in open conversations with the public to ensure transparency. In the ongoing Punjab farmers' protest, Delhi CM Arvind Kejriwal has accused the centre of reviving the controversial farm laws through backdoor tactics. The tensions continue to rise, with both the centre and the Punjab government under scrutiny for their response to the unrest. Varun Dhawan's latest film, Baby John, has failed to impress at the box office, earning just Rs. 160 crore. Critics are calling it one of the biggest box office disasters of 2024, while films like Jawan, Pathan, and Gadar to continue to dominate audience preferences. Finally, PM Modi has announced new urban development projects in Delhi for the new year, including the World Trade Center, Veer Savarkar College, and flats for residents of the JJ clusters. These initiatives focus on sustainability, modernization, and improving the well-being of Delhi's residents. That's all for now. Thank you for joining us, and stay tuned for more updates. Good night.